everybody, we have a special instrument today. This is number 800. This is the second instrument I've made in the 1880s or 1890s style. And this one's going up as an auction. So you'll see the link below and everything. The reason it's going up as an auction is because I'm trying to raise some money to go back to Hawaii to study more of the original instruments and get into some archives, etc. And it costs a lot of money to be out of the shop and to travel. So that's what this is going for. This one, like the other one I made, is a soprano instrument. The shape and the appointments are based off of historic instruments I studied in Hawaii. And it's made all with hand tools. None of my machines were used on this instrument because I've been studying how these original instruments were made. So it's made of all koa. This koa wood is from our friend Bart's sawmill on Oahu. And then the rope binding is made here in my shop. And it's made from just different species of wood laid out in a random pattern. And yeah, so unlike the other one that I made, this one is got geared peghead tuners, fluorocarbon strings, regular fret wire, and side dots. So it's a little more usable for your average modern player. Yeah, it's really fun. I think I did a pretty good job getting like that vintage sound, but it still is, sounds enough like a bean sprout. So I really had fun working on this. And it also comes in a special case. So the original instruments, a lot of them are in these little boxes that kind of look like jewelry boxes. So that's what I did. It's some scrap mahogany with the rope binding on it and just a little cloth inside. So yeah, like I said, this is going to go up as an eBay auction. So I hope we can find a good home for it. Cheers.